Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you 5 major reasons of bud drop in hibiscus. This is the major severe problem in hibiscus. Many of the subscribers ask me to what is the reason behind the flowers are dropping. They several types of several birds come, but they fall off before the flowering. There are lots of birds you can see, and these birds have dropped here. I'll telling you 5 major reasons why they are dropping and what are the reasons and what are the solutions for all this. And this is the major reason. First thing, you have to make sure the plants are properly sunlight. They are receiving proper sunlight. They need at least 5 to 6 hours sunlight, and the watering is proper. Watering is there because if the plants not receive the proper water, water should be very judicious. Water should not be very high, and the soil should not be soggy. If you maintain 5 to 6 hours sunlight a day, and if you properly watering these plants, and the flower droop will be very reduced. Now I'll tell you the major 5 reasons. The first reason is if your plants are growing in the terrace region in the summer months, the terrace gets totally heated, and the heat comes from the besides, and you have to put this plant at least 8 to 9 inch in the stand, so that the heat from the terrace do not go inside the pot. And if the roots are heated here, if the heat comes here, roots are heated, they cannot absorb water, and there should be water shortage at the top level, and the plant will drop all these buds. So this is the major reason why the plants are dropping. The second thing is if you are applying excessive phosphate fertilizer, that may be DAP type of fertilizer. This contains around 46% phosphate. The hibiscus plants do not like at all phosphate. They like minimum quantity of nitrogen and maximum amount of potassium. So the actual fertilizer should be NPK should be 17 5 24, or 16 is to 8 is to 24, or 17 is to 10 is to 27. This kind of fertilizer based for the hibiscus. If you are applying excessive amount of DAP or phosphate rich fertilizer here, all the flowers will be dropped. So you have to be very cautious about application of fertilizer in hibiscus. Then reason 3 is number 3 is regular tilling of plant. You cannot till or loosen the soil here regularly. They do not like regular tilling of the soil. The top roots of the hair, they comes in the surface of the roots, and if the roots of the top layer is disturbed, they regularly goes to the immediately go to the shock, and they fall off all the buds here. So you cannot till it. If you want, you can till it around 3 to 4 months gap, and they will be okay, but you cannot till the land regularly. Once you till the land, the plants go to shock and they fall all these buds. This is the reason 3. Number 4 reason is insect infestation. Many a times what many of the insects lay eggs inside the soft buds here, and they lay eggs and they turn to larva. They eat up all the bases of these buds here. You see, this is here the larva eats up all these bases here, and the petiole portion is totally weakened. As a result, the birds all fall off, and the top portion gets blackened and fall off. So you have to apply some specific insecticide for this. You see, this is the all dried up and the fall off from these plants. And one thing you can do, you can apply neem oil 3 ml per liter, 3 ml per liter neem oil mixed with 1 ml of liquid soap, maybe Beam or any liquid soap or shampoo, 1 ml per liter, mix it too, and apply it, spray it once in a week. That would be insects will be controlled. Or else if the insect infestation is very high, you can apply imidacloprid insecticide, maybe A1 or Confidor, 1 ml per liter once in a 10 days. If you spray this 1 ml per liter any of the insecticide here, the insect infestation will be totally reduced, and you can save your plants from dropping off all the flower buds. This is the reason. The next reason is shortage of calcium and potassium. The plants like maximum calcium and potassium. So if the plants are lacking of any calcium and potassium in soil, the buds may drop off. So you have to apply potash. This is the muriate of potash or sulfate of potash, and you can apply this calcium hydroxide here in soil. Maybe lime powder, around half teaspoonful of lime powder and half teaspoonful of potash, muriate of potash of sulfate of potash, SOP or MOP, and you can sprinkle here over the soil around 1 teaspoon total, half teaspoon and half teaspoon here, and water it, and their flower drop problem or bud drop problem will be totally reduced. The next thing is very important. This is the micronutrients. If the flowers are still dropping or buds are still dropping, you can apply micronutrients, maybe Agromin Gold or any kinds of micronutrient mix, 1 ml per liter once in a week. If you apply it, and all the bud drop problem will be solved. So this is the all the reason I told. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being